You don't need a classroom to learn English. Today, we will learn English at the gym while boxing. Merhaba, ben Teacher DA. Today, I am at a boxing gym in Eskişehir with my friend Coach Emre. This is Emre. Hocanızla karşılaştığınız zaman, Hi, how are you? Good to see you diyebilirsiniz. Yani selam, nasılsınız?
Hello, Emre Hocam, Coach.
Welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
Hello.
How are you today?
Fine. You?
I am great, thank you very much. So, what are we doing today?
Today we will boxing training.
Perfect. So we will do boxing training.
Yeah.
That is great.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
Okay, so first thing first,
Yeah.
we wrap our hands, right?
Yeah.
So I'm wrapping my hand. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start with the basic phrases. We have warm up, which is ısınmak. Get ready, yani hazır ol. Let's go, hadi başlayalım ya da let's start,
Yeah. First,
hadi başlayalım.
warm up. After warm up, shadow boxing. After shadow boxing, gölge boksu, we have meat workout. Okay.
Bugün İngilizceyi spor yaparken öğreneceğiz. Today, you will learn real English that you can use in boxing training.
Now we go to the ring, and in the ring we will learn how to punch the mitts. Okay, we'll be punching the mitts. That's where we learn the technique. And mitt is lapa, by the way. We learn from the ring, and then after that we apply it on the punching bags to master it. Önce tekniği öğreniyoruz. Şimdi burada pekiştiriyoruz. Evet. Yes, now in the ring. First, we wear our gloves.
Hocanız sizi çalıştırırken bu ifadeleri duyabilirsiniz. Keep your hands up, yani ellerinizi yukarıda tutun. Move your feet, yani ayaklarını hareket ettir. Ya da focus, yani odaklan. As you can see, these expressions are very simple but quite powerful. Well, as you can see, learning English can be active, fun, and real. In real training, communication is usually short and direct. Now let's review. Warm up. Let's go. Or let's start. Keep your hands up. Move your feet.
We have learned some technique
Focus.
from Emre Hoca, Coach Emre, and now we're going to apply it on the punching bags. Okay? I'm out of breath. That's normal, that's boxing. Okay, şimdi Emre Hoca'dan teknikleri öğrendik. Jab, cross, uppercut, hook, slip, roll, pull back. Okay? So,
Torbada çalışırken şunları duyabilirsiniz. Hit harder, yani daha sert vur. Or keep going, yani devam et. Ya da don't stop, yani hiç durma. Ya da control your breathing, yani nefesini kontrol et. So as you can see, boxing is not just physical, it's also quite mental. Now let's review the key phrases. Get ready. Wrap your hands. Let's warm up. Keep your hands up. Move your feet. Hit harder. Come on, Keep going. Don't stop. Let's stretch. As you can see, these are real English phrases used in real training. İdmanın sonunda rahatlama veya gevşeme yapabiliriz. Bunu yaparken de şunları duyabilirsiniz. Let's do some stretching. Ya da let's stretch. Yani hadi stretch yapalım. Ya da relax your body. Yani vücudunu rahatlat. Or take a deep breath. Yani derin bir nefes al. Salondan ayrılırken de goodbye coach, take care and see you next time diyebilirsiniz. So today we have learned English through real action. Artık spor yaparken İngilizce kullanabilirsiniz. If you want to learn English in real life, please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next episode. Ciao.